I'm Elise Terrien, and my son works here. But also I have a Orchid hip. I was having a lot of pain, although as a vocational rehabilitation counselor, I worked with people who had had injuries, and I knew something about the problems, pain and et cetera, for hip and knee. And I wasn't having any of the typical hip pain. I was having knee pain. I developed a really bad limp. So that was complicating my life a lot. And I began having a lot of pain. When my grandchildren graduate from high school, I take them on a trip. They are always requiring a lot of walking, a lot of stair climbing, a lot of uneven ground, a lot of things that I was having problems with. And we went to Budapest and to Italy, and I used a cane. That was not as much fun. I finally made my way to the doctor. I had a very bad hip, one of the worst he'd ever seen, and my knee was also bad. So I had a hip replacement. June 1st, I think, of 16, and then the following November, I had a knee replacement. And my life has been much better since. My surgery has given me kind of a new lease on life. Now I work out 5 mornings a week. I go up and down my 38 stairs, even carrying things, with no problem. My ability to travel and to enjoy the trips has changed immensely. I didn't have problems walking long distances. I didn't have to deal with the pain. I wasn't taking pain medication, even if it was over the counter. I don't take anything anymore. It's really wonderful. I found the tour really interesting. I had never seen an operation quite like this, and so it's the end result I experience every day with all the improvements. Not only have I seen the improvement in my own life, but I saw the improvement in many of the clients. For years, I worked with mostly work-related injuries, back problems, orthopedic problems, that sort of thing. When people could get rid of that pain, it was really wonderful. I feel you guys are doing God's work. I want to thank the employees at Orchid because you do a wonderful job, and what you do helps people like me and so many other people that I know get back to a much improved life.